Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today is like the first start of love, and I mean technically right after Christmas I just swing into full-on sweetheart love mode to celebrate Valentine's Day. We just decked out the store in all fun kinds of decorations, and it's just got me in the mood to film a Valentine's Day look so that you guys can maybe practice your skill set until then. This look would also just be really pretty as like a bridal-esque look, like depending on what exactly you're going to be doing. So today's look, I wanted to focus on a very like fresh pop of pink. I think pink can sometimes be a little bit scary, but it can be very natural, and it's the perfect color to kind of throw in your makeup routine if you're trying to get those more like romantic sweetheart style looks. This would be like the perfect look to wear to date night or to a wedding. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and definitely leave in the comments below what your favorite look is to wear for Valentine's or date night. Whether it's like eyeshadow, bold lips, just let me know. So let's get started. I'm gonna sweep my hair behind my ears, and first things first, I am going to apply a pump of foundation. I'm currently using the Sappho foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations for a more true foundation look. I do like the Kosas one, but that one can be a little dewy sometimes. And then the next thing I'm going to do is apply the Athr Beauty Moonlight Drops to this foundation to give my skin a very like dewy, radiant, love-looking complexion. So I have combined both of those on my pan, and I'm just going to take a brush and swirl that around till I get the perfect foundation cocktail, and then we're going to start pressing this in on the skin. I love the way this foundation smells. It is a perfect foundation for somebody who wants just like a light coverage, but very like flawless finish. It's an aloe-based foundation, so it's super cooling on the skin, and it honestly just feels so good. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply my Kosas Revealer Concealer. I'm gonna use it right underneath my under eye, right on my nose, and any of the places that I need it. And then I'm just taking a concealer brush, and we're going to buff this in till it all looks good. Next, I'm taking my Kosas Cloud Powder, and I'm actually using that concealer brush to take the powder and just push it into the skin. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer, and this is the Kosas Baked Bronzer in Light. And I'm just going to add a touch of dampness to my skin just to get it nice and bronzed and warmed up. Next thing that I'm gonna do is something that's a little bit more unique, and it's a look that I've been playing around with, but I'm actually going to take the new Athr Beauty this is the new Athr Beauty Motivate Ruby Lip Oil, and I have been seeing on their Instagram that you can use these for lips and cheeks, and I tried this out earlier this week, and I absolutely loved the color payoff that you get. Let me show you the swatch right here. This is what the color looks like. And I'm just gonna take actually a big fluffy brush, and I've been loving this to do blush with, but I'm actually gonna start the blush pretty high up and sweep it until it looks super soft and blended. And it is going to just give like the prettiest fresh pop of blush to your skin. Next, I'm going to take the Athr Beauty. This is the Rose Quartz Cheek Palette, and I'm going to thumb between the two blushes and just apply a little bit of a powder blush right on top of this, just to add a little bit more of a color definition to the look. Then I'm going to take that highlight shade that's right here in the Athr Beauty Cheek Palette, and I'm going to start sweeping this right across my cheeks to give myself a really pretty pinky cheek highlight. Next, for the eyes, I'm gonna be going in with the Athr Beauty Cheek Palette, and I'm gonna thumb my brush between the two blush shades, and I'm going to start by adding just this little bit of washed pink all over the lid, just to give myself like a little bit of like a fun pink flush on the eye. Plus this will help it marry into that cheek color right there and just look super like full and very like kissed with love. I'm also gonna take it on a smaller brush and pop some of that on my lower lash line as well. Now that we have that going on, I'm going to go in with the Athr Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Apologize, you can tell I use this palette a ton and I honestly need to clean it a little bit. But I'm gonna start by adding this shade and a little bit of this brown into this eye look. And I'm gonna pop it right here on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to be going in with my brush and I'm actually going to thumb it between these two colors. So it's like the kind of like pinky and like semi-pinky gold color in the palette. And I'm going to start by pressing this all along the lid of this look. Then I'm going to take that white shade that's in the palette and I'm going to pop it right here on the center inner corner of my eye. Next thing we're going to do on the eyes is create like this smoky chocolate brown wing liner. So I'm going to start off by taking a Late eye pencil, and this is in the brown shade, and I'm going to start by applying this right on. Then I'm going to take the Clove & Hollow Lock and Rock spray and I'm going to wet down a brush. It's an angled liner definer brush, and I'm going to use this to create a perfect matte brown wing liner. I'm gonna pop a little bit of mascara on. Okay, I did my mascara and popped some Baddington 25 use lashes in 3D Demis on. Next, I'm going to take a brow pencil and just fluff my brows a little bit to kind of give them a little bit more definition and color where they need them. Then I'm going to take the spoolie part and comb through them. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Motivate lip color. Then I'm going to pop a little bit of the Lily Lolo English Rose lip gloss right on. Oh, guys, I am in love with this look. It is so fun. I love how it's just like very feminine and girly energy. Like, I love the fresh pink on the cheeks and this really pretty like juicy pink lip with the very like rose quartzy eye. I think this is a gorgeous look to sport for your girls' nights or your date nights, or just if you are in the mood to be fitting to this season. I hope you guys have a clean beauty day and you learned a thing or two in this video on how to utilize your clean beauty products in a super glam and fun way that fits the season. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.